Hey guys, it's not Grace here, it's Nicole. Go follow my YouTube channel. Today Grace is letting me do a video on her account. This video is going to be doing the drip top hack with Grace's account. Grace is going to be the one with the drip top. So we're going to be just doing it. And Grace is in the background doing Musically and she's wearing headphones so you can't really hear anything. So we're just going to be doing this video. Now I'm going to be sending the drip top to me. And
Hi guys!
I'm on level 16. Let's see, can we get to level 17? I think we will be able to do it. But yeah, don't mind the one message. Like when I click into it, there's no messages, so don't mind that. So now I'm just gonna. Don't worry, Grace is right beside me. Like I didn't hack into her account. Like she's right beside me, so don't worry if you're like, oh my god, you're stealing Grace's drip top. I'm not, and I think I already have your drip top because I just sent it before the video. I think I already. Yeah, I did. Okay. So I'm just going to open it and do it. I'm really bad at this. Not as good as Grace, obviously. But
Yes.
if I do it really slow, it still works.
Let's see what happens.
Did I even do anything? I don't think it even did anything. Wait, did I even click it? No, I did. Oh, okay. Anyway, let's just send it back to Grace. I have a few other friends online, so I'm scared to send it to one of them, but I'll make sure I don't. I remember I pranked Grace
She pranked me so badly.
Tricking her that I sent it to a different person, and she got so annoyed. She ran over to me and was like, "You're buying me a new one." I was like, "Look, I sent it to myself." It was so funny. She has it on the Musically, but I don't think she's gonna post it because I don't know. She got stuck under the bed.
When you say it to her, it's under the bed, and I was like,
"Why are you shouting? You're like so loud."
"Cause."
Good.
Am I shouting? Am I shouting?
Okay, let's just do it for Grace now. See, me and Grace are on kind of, well, Grace on a higher level.
Like, please be quiet. 'Cause I can't hear my TikToks.
It's fine.
Look how beautiful I am. Do you want to see how beautiful I am?
I want to see all the gifts you see.
Look.
Guys, Lolly 667891 did not send her drip tops. Grace sent an account drip tops to the drip top hack, so don't mind that. Like, I'm like roasting her right now.
Stop bullying me!
Oh, I like this dress, and no, that wasn't a fake account, but these all are
friend.
fakes. So don't mind if anyone sends a drip top. No one ever sent her a drip top.
I bought my drip top for 50,000. I didn't even do the 25 diamond thing.
Stop bragging. And then that's, don't mind these. Ella the Elephant 123 is another account you made.
What?
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 Nothing.
What'd you say?
And this is Bethany, our friend.
My besto.
My besto.
My besto.
Oh.
I told you my besto.
You're my besto.
Guys, my
Grace.
had my video was posted. I gotta watch it.
Oh, she's watching her own video. Don't mind this. There's me. Okay, we're not gonna look too
did it last
good.
night. And I don't remember what it was.
Okay, let's do it for Grace. Grace might not level as much as I do. It's just because she's on a higher level than me, which don't mind that.
Which then it's going to
It went up a tiny
make
bit.
mine less lovely.
What? So now I'm gonna send the gift back to me. I'm just gonna keep doing this, and like I'll stop in a few minutes. Like I'm just gonna see if I got any. I'll be stopping in like a few minutes just to like and then I'll be back when I'm on like level 17 or something. I don't know. We'll just see. I'll send myself. Yeah, we'll just do this quicker. Wait, sorry, what am I doing? I'll send the drip top. Okay, and yeah, I'm just gonna like keep doing this very easy. So I'll be back in a few minutes when I've leveled up a lot more. So guys, I'm back. I have leveled up a lot. For you guys, probably not a lot, but for me it is. And this is how much
my foot.
Grace has leveled up.
That's quite a bit.
She was there, and it does take a while for Grace to level up because she's high level. But yeah. So guys, this is how much I've leveled up. Now the 25 limit is just came, so that's why I can't do any more, but I will be doing it some other time, I hope. But yeah, this is how much Grace leveled up. That's how much Grace leveled up, which is very good actually, because probably like, oh my god, that's tiny compared to you, but it's because Grace is on a higher level than me, and it does take a while if you're on a higher level. But yeah, so that was the end of this video. Yeah. So guys, yeah. That's the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. I don't think there'll be a next time. No, I'm kidding. Hopefully I can do more videos on Grace's account, and well, on YouTube, and she can obviously post on mine too. So goodbye. Bye guys.